I'm Mike Boneschansker, sales consultant here at Larry Hudson Chevrolet, and this is the 2018 GMC Sierra Elevation Edition lifted truck. One of the main benefits of getting this truck the way that it is that it's fully set up to go off-road. Painted bumpers, painted grille surround, come with that elevation package. This one has a 6-inch Pro Comp performance suspension lift, gets you the 35-inch Pro Comp tires on the 20-inch black aluminum rims, and the painted fender flares. DSI stands behind their stuff. This 6-inch lift kit comes with a 3-year, 60,000 kilometer warranty on it that can be done right here at Larry Hudson. Here at Larry Hudson's, we know you want to stand out from the crowd. Let us help you do it with this beautiful 6-inch lift truck.